Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see how I track my mutual funds harvested using Google Sheets. Okay, so I'll help you create the sheet step by step so that you can also that I uncover a lot of formulas to create this sheet. Okay, so now if you see the first table shows how much percent tax I'm paying for this totally entirely how much I have paid. And this one shows year on year how much tax I'm paying and how much in 2024. Basically, 2023 to 2024, I kept it as 2024. That's how much percent tax ARR I have generated and how much return I have generated. Sometimes we uh, harvest mutual funds little later. That's why the XARR is little lower. Okay, and this shows uh, in each segment how much return is being generated. And this one shows for each fund how much return has been generated. So basically, this highlights which are lower, it shows us in red, and which are provides larger amount of returns, right? In XARR, will be highlighted in red. So mediums won't be highlighted. So that next time I don't purchase, maybe I do necessary research on buying these funds again. Okay, that is the reason of highlighting them. Let me move to a new sheet so that we can create it from scratch. To create this, first we need mutual. Will be suited for both mutual fund as well as stocks. Everything, FD returns, everything you can track it over here. That will give you yearly annual return XARR so that you can compare them between different investment strategies as well. So that is the base idea. For now, I just make it simple, easier. So keeping as mutual fund name and then whether it is a credit or debit. And I need transaction date. I need transaction date when the transactions happen. Okay. I need transaction amount. Okay. How much amount I have invested in Kate. And then year. So let's say, let me enter some value so that it will be useful. So let's say I do investment in Nifty 50 index. Okay. Let's create a validation here so that it would look very nice. Once I go here, I go to data validation, add a row. It would be dropped down. Okay. Option one would be debit. Option two, let's say credit. So I'll keep the debit as red and credit as green so that it would be easy for me to add. This can be helpful. Nice. Now let's say first time I'm crediting it. Date of let's say 25th December 2022. Okay. Let's say I'm crediting amount of um, 10,000 rupees. Okay. So whenever I'm entering debit credit, you need to keep it as minus. Okay. Whenever you're taking it, it should be plus. That is how this XARR function works. Okay. And let's assume that if it is 2022, you will take this harvest this money in 2023 December, right? So what I'll give is 2023 year to 2024. In this calendar year, we'll harvest it. So I'll keep like this. Okay. What I'll do is I'll add again Nifty index. Now I do debit. Okay. Maybe I'll forward it so that it would look nice. I'll keep Indian rupees and remove the zeros I don't want to. So now I do debit. So let's assume that maybe keep something. The same year I have harvested it. Now let's keep one more fund balance, Nifty 500 index. Okay. Again, I took credit. This time, instead of 2022, I harvested a, let's say, January 1st. To make it clear, I usually use dates with month name. This looks better, right? I debited it on 2024 January. Okay. In 2023, let's assume maybe 15th I'm investing. Okay. Again, maybe the same. Instead of 10,000, I have invested this time 20,000. I'll harvest this in 2023, 2024. And again, I don't debit. And again, I'll copy it. So this time I'll keep 2024 and keep it as month. And let's say I keep a buffer so that I don't want to take exact 365 days. I'll keep it as 18. Okay. 18th Jan. I'll take the money. This time, let's assume that I got 25,000. Okay. And I have invested in 50 small index, small cap index, and Nifty mid cap index as well. Okay. These two things I'm doing that. So this time what I'll do is I'll just copy this, paste it over here, and again copy it and paste it. Copy this as well. Let me do a little fix and bold the first line, and I usually forward to alternate colors. So this is looking for not keep the borders and let me do the alignment. Okay, total and let's assume that I'm having mutual fund only, so I'll keep it as mutual fund and current value invest return in percentage XARR, and let's assume that how much tax I have paid. What is current value? Current value is nothing but what is the value when I harvested it. That is what current value. So basically it is debit. What are the debitors are there? I need to sum. So for that we have something called sum. So I'll do sum and range. This is the range. What are the conditions? The conditions credit and then the sum range. Sum range is actually this one. This is debit, right? Next, correct. This is debit. So 73,500 is the value that can be harvested. But we want to understand what is the amount that I have invested. I just copy the same formula. I don't need to rewrite it. Instead of debit, I need to do credit. But there is a catch over here. What is that? It shows the values in minus. To avoid it as minus, I'll do minus in front. I need to calculate the current value minus amount invested. And then again you have to use divide by amount invested. This will give you percentage. Okay. Go to format. Yeah, percent. Now I need to calculate XARR. So I think this is the second formula we're going to visit today. XARR. Okay. Cash flow amounts. What is this cash flow amounts? That is nothing but the cash flow amounts. Come on. Cash flow dates. What is cash flow dates? This one. That it make it as percentage. Let me add one more column so that it will be very easy. Calculate tax. Let's select return. So minus this one. This one can be written. Let me put out as well. So now I can change this one because already calculating return and put it in over here. Touch it. Done. Oh, now let's once again. Now I want to calculate tax. If the return amount is less than 1 lakh, you don't need to pay any tax for mutual fund assets. Now let me write a condition. This return is greater than 1,50,000, 1 lakh rupees. Greater than 1 lakh rupees. I put one more parenthesis. Okay. And once again, I go to this return and do minus. I put 5 zeros and then 10%. Okay. R is, I'll keep it as 0. Put 0. What is happening is, I'm just checking whether this return is greater than 1 lakh or not. If it is not, I return as 0. If it is yes, it is greater. What I'll do is, for 1 lakh rupees, you don't have to pay any tax cut. So I'll remove the 1 lakh rupees. And whatever the amount that is more than 1 lakh, I'm getting and subtracting from 1 lakh. So for that amount only, I need to pay 10% tax. That is what I'm multiplying with 0.1%, 0.1. So that you will get 10% tax, right? For each and every year, how much tax I am paying. We are going to see fourth formula today. So that is called unique. Okay. Now let's go to unique of this range. Oh, now just take the same, paste it over here. I'll just paste it as values. So now I need to apply the same formula you can use, but the problem is you need one more formula. The reason is we need to check the year, which are years that is 2023 and 2024. For that alone, we need to find the current value. So we need two conditions now to check. So here in sum, if we can check only one condition, so we do have one more beautiful formula that is called sums. What this time we need to do sum range. So in this time, I just mentioned the sum range quickly. So once I have done, I need to mention each and every criteria and the condition. Right? So criteria range for now is, let's assume this time we put this. Okay. And again, one we put credit. One condition is done for you. And this time don't hard code it. Instead of that, you reference it to G column and close the parenthesis. Now I'll click Control Enter to autofill. Okay, I did the same mistake. Instead of credit. Okay, I'll copy the same and paste it over here so that this will automatically come. I'll put negative value and this time I'll use debit. Okay, I'll put debit and Control Enter. Done. Current value minus some against and Control Enter. So return divide by amount against Control Enter. Now the XARR is also a little bit challenging. The problem is here I need to pass only that particular range, or let's say only this particular ranges I need to pass for 23, 24, and this range for 24, 25 to calculate XARR. We have one more function in X is called filter. So XARR is already on. We need only two ranges. One is amount, another is date. That's it. So, but with filter, I need to pass. So for that I use a filter function and I need a range. The range here is the transaction amount and the condition here is uh, let's say this year, uh, this year and close this one. Now cash flow amount is done. Now I need to do again one more filter. Okay, and again this time I need date, so I'm selecting the range date. And now the filter is should be based on here, and I need to compare it with this one and I close this. Now cash flow dates also done. Now I need to close the XAR account. I'll copy this, paste it over, and drag it over. Automatically this will come. So let's check the stacks cover is working fine or not. Let me add one more zero over here. Now see, 5 lakhs, sorry, 6 lakhs 40,000. I got 6 lakhs 40,000. So my return is 1 lakh 40,000. So my how much tax I have to pay is 4,000 rupees tax I have to pay. So basically 1 lakh is exemption, 40,000, 10% is 4,000. I have to pay 4,000 rupees tax. That is what this tax calculation works. Okay. Which mutual funds are doing better? In future, what are the worst performing funds? So to calculate it, I need to create one more column. Okay, basically. So I'll keep this as key column. What I'll do is I'll just to concatenate this and fund and year. Okay. I'll do control enter. Yes, this one. Awesome. Again, I need to use unique, correct, to identify unique case. Mhm. So each and every year, how the fund is performing, you want to understand that. So I'll just copy the same. Okay. Values only. I'll just copy this from paste it over here. Previously, what we have compared is we have compared this one debit credit. I don't need to interact anything. Previously, we compared year, we filtered year, but this time we need to compare filtered by key. Right. So basically, instead of E column, I need to select F column. Instead of H5, I need to select this one. Now let me do the same. Now once this amount is ready, I'll copy the formula and I'll do this. Instead of H5, I'll do counters. Instead of E, this one I'll just right, do this. Done. I'll click OK. Now I need the percentage return divide by this one. Done. Example. I'll copy it. Instead of EE column, wherever EE is present, I'll keep that colon F, and the same goes for here as well. Colon F. Instead of H5, what if you do H70? H70. The same goes for the dates as well. Equal to H70. Click OK. Control enter. Done. Now copy this one, paste it over here. Automatically done. So this is how I track the mutual fund harvesting. Understand which funds are doing better. So for that, just select this column, go to format, and go to conditional formatting, go to color scale. Now click on OK. Now this will tell you how the fund is doing. So you can see this small cap fund index is doing in 2023 is doing much better, 29%. But Nifty 50 is below average, very bad when compared to other mutual funds. So this is how I track mutual funds harvesting. I hope this helps. So concatenate formula here, and we covered unique formula here. We covered some if, we covered some ifs, and we covered XLR formula. We covered if conditions, and we covered inside XLR how we can use filter function. If you want this sheet, please give me 100 likes so that I can share this sheet with you. Hopefully, this video is very helpful to you, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.